deleted your entire...
We keep recording all these ships, and then the second she goes to fucking upload them, she presses the wrong button and they delete. So, you missed... What did she miss? Oh, the craziest thing we've ever done. She almost got kicked out of a One Direction concert.
Because the security guards told us that they
knew their faces now.
We remember your faces. And if we see you again, you're getting kicked off the premises.
And the two craziest things I've ever done. The first was about a minute ago. I ran around in circles because I just found out that Robin Thicke is coming to play. You're going with me.
No, I'm not seeing Robin Thicke.
I love Robin Thicke.
I'll throw up. I don't like Robin Thicke.
And then the other one was both of us, when we were both 17, I'm still 17, but when she was 17, we drove like almost 2 hours away to go try to meet this band that we had literally met the night before, and we wanted to meet them again.
And we told our parents we were sleeping over at each other's houses.
Yeah. But it was raining really hard, and we knew this girl, and she told us that they were gone, so we turned around, but...
Yeah.
Almost the craziest thing, but that didn't happen.
Okay, and our ship, I'm following you, by the way. Our ship is Luke, because you're really pretty, and I feel like Luke would like you. And our compliment...
You have pretty hair.
Yeah. Okay, and your song is Look After You by The Fray. Forget the urgency.
Alright, thanks for doing the ship thing.
Thank you.
Bye.